Here's how to get started with Synthesia, an easy-to-use text-to-video app that comes with a huge selection of realistic talking AI avatars. Synthesia lets you create a free sample video if you just want to try it out. To do this, click the link in the description below, then click the button that says Create a Free AI Video. Then choose a template, enter a script, and choose your avatar. Since this is a sample, the script is limited to just a few lines of text. Then hit Generate Free AI Video and enter your name and email. No credit card is required. The tool is fairly easy to learn and is flexible enough to be used in a wide range of use cases. This sample video will give you a glimpse into what's possible with Synthesia, but it isn't really a free trial. To create longer videos, try out more avatars, and access Synthesia's most powerful features, you'll need to create a Synthesia account. To create an account, click the link in the description below and you'll come to the Synthesia home screen. Click this button to create an account and you'll see the different plans. At the time of this recording, the starter plan costs $22 a month with yearly pricing. They also offer monthly plans, which are slightly more expensive. With the starter plan, you'll get access to more than 70 AI avatars and over 120 languages, accents, and voices. You also get access to the new AI script assistant, which is similar to ChatGPT, a built-in screen recorder, and the ability to upload your own videos, images, and music. You also get access to over 60 professionally designed video templates, access to a range of stock images and videos from Shutterstock, and background music, all of which you can use royalty-free. The starter plan lets you generate 120 minutes of video per year. If you need more minutes, you can upgrade to the Creator Plan for 360 minutes of video per year. The Creator Plan gives you access to over 90 avatars and the ability to upload your own fonts, plus a branded share page and call to actions. And of course, if you need even more minutes of video generation, you can always contact Synthesia and ask about their enterprise plan. For a more in-depth Synthesia tutorial, watch this video next.